You'll notice right away everything about this home has been thoughtfully designed. Located in Martinez Mountain Estates, right across from the infamous Gate 5, with a beautiful covered porch. Come inside this well-thought-out, single-level floor plan. The kitchen is smartly laid out with plenty of cabinets and storage. The living room features hardwood floors, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and French doors that open to a covered porch. The main level includes 2 bedrooms plus an office that can flex into a 3rd bedroom. A breezeway connects you to the oversized garage, built for trucks, tractors, or extra storage. Upstairs, the bonus room includes a full bathroom and is ready for guests, with plumbing in place for a future kitchenette. Outside, there's a covered RV spot with hookups, plus a detached 2-car garage and barn with fencing already set up for horses or projects. This home combines comfort, functionality, and space